After breaking the overall record at Pikes Peak, Volkswagen has now set its sights on another racing record. The German automaker has teamed up with California-based tuning shop THR Manufacturing to build a high-horsepower Jetta powered by its 2.0-liter turbocharged engine. VW will bring the specially prepared Jetta out to the Bonneville Salt Flats during this year's Bonneville Speed Week, where it will compete in the Southern California Timing Association's BGC G class. It hopes to break the record for the class with the wild-looking Jetta, which currently stands at 208.472 miles per hour. We are delighted with the reception for the all-new 2019 Jetta in North America, said VW North American CEO Hinrich Woebcken. With the attempt on the Bonneville Speed record with the Jetta, we want to underline the Jetta's sporty credentials and get customers excited for the more performance-oriented Jetta GLI on the way. While the 2.0-liter turbocharged engine found in the Bonneville Jetta will have little to do with the version to be found in the upcoming Jetta GLI, VW is hoping this endeavor will get fans excited for the performance Jetta's arrival later this year. Apart from the heavily upgraded engine, the Jetta also features lowered suspension, aerodynamically optimized wheels with salt-flat tires and a limited slip differential. The interior has also been stripped and fitted with all necessary safety equipment such as a racing seat, safety harnesses, a fire extinguisher and a parachute. Bonneville Speed Week will kick off on August 11th and last through to August 17th.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.